Hi, it's Dee here. Welcome to another cooking video of mine. So today I'm going to cook honey soy glazed salmon, but I'm going to be quite creative with it, so make sure that you watch until the end. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So in order to make the sauce, we need honey, of course, garlic salt, paprika, which is optional, and soy sauce. And then in addition to that, we also need a bit of butter, olive oil, salt, black pepper, chives, salmon and broccoli, and rice. So why don't we start by cooking the rice first? So the rice is nearly done, so now we're going to do the broccoli. And let's put a bit of salt into boiling water. And in the meantime, we're going to prepare the sauce, which is very exciting. So to make the sauce, we're going to need soy sauce, honey, loads of it, garlic salt, you can add a bit of vinegar or lemon juice if you prefer. And here comes my secret sauce, dum dum dum, Worcestershire sauce. And this is to give a bit of a spicy kick to all of that. And this is actually coming from somebody, myself, who didn't really eat much of a spicy food. So it is quite mild spice. And then we're going to give it a really good stir. And we'll be using half of it to marinate the salmon and save the other half for later. So the broccoli is done now, and finally we will be cooking salmon. So we just need to put a bit of olive oil into the frying pan first. And when it is nearly done, we're going to add the other half of the sauce back into the frying pan. So it's done. I cannot wait to try it. Oh, it's so delicious. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.